In this video, I am going to show you how to watch IPTV on VLC media player. First of all, you need to find IPTV links from online. Go to your browser. In search type M3U URL. Now hit enter. You will find here lot of IPTV URL sources. You can browse any link as you wish. I'm going to free RDP IPTV GitHub free playlist. Click on this link. Scroll down. You will find here lot of IPTV links: auto, animation, business, classics, comedy, cooking, culture, documentary, education, entertainment, family, kids, movies, music, and many more. I'm going to copy this music link, and you will find 396 channel here. Select the link and right click and then click on copy. Minimize the browser, open VLC media player, click on media tab, then click on open network stream. Paste the link here. Now click on play and you have to wait few seconds to connect the IPTV channel, and the IPTV channel is successfully connected on my VLC media player. That's it. This is the easiest way to watch IPTV on VLC media player.